Wairire vya umwanchu muriya bageta seni Ndizi TV ne chinga kichindengo kwaregani atwe manyamangana majia asenchera yobwenge nigo charagire Chinsa Ikomi chabona maragoba eritariane Dorcas Kemuma nigo togochukubata nere Lydia Mose oyugo chukene kinga okumanyirie gwetera asenchera yimanyirio nere Victor Sultan okene kinga malogine chibicha wekere asenchera yobwikiranu. Okonyere na bogoto bwatia wetera asenchera ye mitandao asensemo ya Facebook okotonyera buna Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube tobwatie buna Ndizi TV News na boigo ase website onyamna www.ndizitv.net Amayia ego tokonyachaka korase county ya Kisii ase abakori emirimo be county eyo ya Kisii anene korase ekeombe keri kyobo chenu keri kya Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentist Union MPDU amaona kirikia Kenya Clinical Officer Union kuko nigobono litukoria lero bachaka omugirobo bene ase bakora okorobikana ase omochi obosongo ase baganirie serikali ye county ya Kisii kwene kinganko egwere ebirero byabo nanene ase okorengana nabarabo nigo batuna nigo babeire bakwemurungania egetambe korende serikali tiri koiwa birero byabo ase bono yabairete kwimukiye tambukiro kyo gukora okorobikana nabogo gukora omugigo chaka omugirobo oyobo ochaka aseri tukoria rero chitariki inye asebono bateba tibali gochiko irana merimo yabo wika serikali ye county ya Kisii yabaire gekoigwa ebiro byabana bayigo ase abakori merimo be county ya Nairobi ase ababa chanobe keombe kerikya KMPDU bayigo nabarabo nigo bakora okorobikana gochi ase chobisi chobo chenu ase enyagita ase county eyo asebone kirenge kirene baganiria serikali ye county kwene kinga nkoigwa irebirero byabo
wako hapa watu wa Kisii, watu wa Nyamira na wote wameona yale ambayo madaktari wa Kisii wanapitia na wamesema enough is enough. Tumesema kwa kimombo, what we are experiencing in Kisii County is impunity manifest, disregard of rule of law manifest, na wamekataa abadan katan kufuatilia ile tunaita CBA between us and the county governments. Kwa hivyo mgomo huu utaisha tu wakati serikali ya Kisii itasema wacha sasa tuwapromote, wacha tuwapeleke shule muhitimu ndo muhudumie wagonjwa vizuri, wacha tuwalipe on time, and most importantly iko kitu tunaita threats and victimization ambaye hatufurahii kabisa. Wacha madaktari wafanye kazi ya kuona wagonjwa, sio kazi ya siasa, sio kazi ya kuulizwa wewe uko pande gani ndio tuone tunakufanyia nini. Na kwa hivyo mgomo officially unaanza leo. Na kamilisha bila kusema ile police brutality tuliona Nairobi against union leaders is taking us way back into the dark ages, even before tuone mwanzilishi wa hii nchi Jomo Kenyatta is taking us way back when the white man used to hunt the black man. Hiyo pia hatunakataa na ina form basis of this strike. Kwa hivyo pia hii strike ishe, wale tunaita interns ambao wana run daily activities of the hospital must be posted. Naitwa Dr. Onyango Ndonga, mimi ndio mwenyekiti wa KMPDU tawi la Nyanza. Asante.
MCA we ensemo ya Bugisero Vincent Abuga nigobono amaborire mugabana bwe county ya Kisii Simba arati kwene kingango bwatokare chibasari goche ase chiskuru naboigo kumuboria gutigana ne chisegi ase chinga kechiga aborikuwa babaire bakuchaka kwerenera ase chiskuru chawo kumaiga yogokora omotimoko omoke ase litukoria rero ase bona aborikuwa bakagire gochikwira na chiskuru esukuru chinga kecho boigoni go mwamisi abuga amoborire oasimba arati oyoro mugavana we county ya Kisii kwene kingango korabare chinkwana chabene amono mokonye ye Dr. Robert Monda elio kwene kingango nyorabare okuigwana na koira amagendero ye county ya Kisii motwe.
As every way, I know as from Tuesday onwards, ngoyo na bare school. Lakini wono li swali li anali ne nkweguri ndinga. Abana ngoyo na bare school. Intuna abayiburi cyo sanjire baga niri kuri guchepasa. I remember governor nagende teraunda ka abana chifomu abayiburi chifomu baga ichuri. We expected by now etoke USA chavere tayari rinde turikira abana chicheck. Wakwena kuria famu bakwa baguchi school. It is unfortunate thing agwegirari tukuria rero nturaba epoko rikira bayibori chiche. Kisabali ejiga cha impeachment ya Monda nchiko tokonye. Woni gendogera tokonye nukuriye injiranga gitokonya abana baende school. Turigiye injiranga gitoko agajira abanyabyasara kipara. Erinde babe epoko transport ibintu byabasengerere ndonge. Tobe ebu kwa gachira abana ba ECD biras erinde abana kembure uchago gotwa takwamba kwatasa bakwiga makuba gosomya
Togos kamotu mwancho mureria ase ngaki budget eyo omwaka o 2024-2025 egendete koro siwani gobono abagavana koro ase county gwetera se keombe keriga kechigavana nigobaikirana ase committee ye bunge erietenete amangana ye budget eyo ritukoria rero ase bono basabire serikali kubamenta chibesa gocha ase chi county konengana na abagavana nigo batebire buna agose bari bekirana ase committee yo nigo batebina nige serikali enene egutigara ne chibesa chinyinge ase ebintu biri ababete bikoiraniwa ase chi county una ase nsemo yobokoreri bobo cheno ase bono batebira nerebuya serikali enene kubamenta enengo eriogo chikwene kinga ngwaka na bale nonya nabakori emirimo naboigo goikirania emirimo yende ase chi county.
The monies we expend are the monies we collect as taxes, the monies we borrow, and the monies we receive as grants and aid. There is no other money.
The Council therefore proposes an allocation of Kenya shillings 450 billion for the fiscal year 2024-25. This is Kenya shillings 439.5 billion as equitable share and a further 10.5 billion from the RLMF. The County Aggregation and Industrial Parks KIPES project, which we are co-sharing with the national government at 50-50%. That resulted in a further 11.8 billion. Stipends for CHPs. And this again is a program that we are co-paying with the national government, resulting in 3.2 billion additional cost to counties.
A lot of money is being left in the ministries that is supposed to be going to the devolved functions because money or resources are supposed to follow functions. For instance, in health, all the 47 counties of Kenya, their total budget is 110 billion for the 47 counties for health. The ministry, on the other hand, this year is retaining 147 billion at MOH.
Our wage bill, inclusive of taxes, stands to increase by almost $500 million. You need to understand, Chair, that unions want to be able to negotiate an increase in salaries. Workers want better.
Omorai bwense Dr. William Ruto nigo ritukoria rero abeka ese yo mosoda oyora chikone kinga ngosira are ese chiserikali chichi county anene ase ogokinia kwa ebirengo byechibesa ocha ase chi county ase chinga kecho boigo Ruto abairaneri abuya aba governor gwetra ase kyombe kere kya Council of Governors so kwene kinga ngo guswanania bare gosenko Rusia bare egurube eyo yebina bya babiri bikoba ase ebigambiro ebyo atebana bikonye bigerete gose byarentere umuchando ase egati ya serikali amone serikali ya county anena sokwenekinga amagendero ngosikigware motwe
in government. First, let me also congratulate the Council of Governors for working with us and the National Assembly and the Senate to make it possible for us to agree on moving these bills forward. The decision by the Council of Governors to withdraw court matters that had become a stumbling block on this issue is a very welcome development, and it goes to the spirit of both levels of government working together and both levels of government working also with the legislature so that we can find mechanisms of us working together without the acrimony that comes with taking ourselves to court. It is our collective decision to find ways of working together harmoniously, finding consensus on matters that
Abarayi bekiombe kia era kurwa ase orogongo rwa Afrika nigo bagendete nebi karobyabo imeyomochi o Nairobi ase barayi kurwa ase Chinsa atia orogongo rwa Afrika ase bikirana ase egekarekyo ase batamne kerenge ekinene kyogokora egekarekyo nigo bagendete gose no gotinya obo amate obuya egati ye Chinsa cia Afrika ase bono batena nigo barachikwene kinga ngokwana bale amagana Let
us hold our plenary in Kenya. So in Yala we have 72 members. We have, as you know, each partner state is sending 9 members, minimum of 3 females. And as we are now 7 countries, you can say that we are 63 members. But the ministers in charge of East Africa are members of IALA, but they are ex-official members. They are 7, then we become 70. We have 2 others ex-official members, the Secretary General of the East Africa, and the CTC, the councillor in charge of the community. We become 72.
As he has told you, the chair rotates among the member states. Yesterday it was Burundi, today is South Sudan. So I'm representing the ministers of the community. There will be other ministers also who will attend with us. We are going to participate in most of the things that the speaker has said, and we are going to see how we can cooperate and develop this community into a stronger and more stable.
Mwancho murigeria ayo na senchera yobwenge ayo mananda mangeno chukanyora senchera yobwekerano chikoraga enseyemo ya maragoba asumurubiri obwe manye Jumatatu kenda korere kitaseni kya Ndizi TV eriwego ke na wesomya amange eritaria ne Dorcas Kemuma na niko tobatanere Lydia Muse oyone kinga okumanyiria asenchera yibimanyire Victor Sultan oyone kinga amariogi ne chibicha wikire asenchera yobwekerano